Hi, Assalamualaikum. We are from Group 5. My name is Fariha Binti Azahar. My ID number is TC19022 and my group member is Nurul Sakinah Binti Zakariah TC19015.
Introduction. Facility management is a profession that integrates people, place, process, and technology to ensure the functionality, comfort, safety, and efficiency of the built environment. It must be properly managed to achieve its stated purpose while satisfying several objectives, including producing a product or producing a service at a lower cost, at higher quality, or using the least amount of resources.
Next, we go to the literature review. Based on the previous study, which is facilities management that was done at Malaysia is in the office building. For example, maintenance, cleaning, landscaping, lighting, heating, ventilating and air conditioning, lift or escalator, mechanical and electrical, sanitary, plumbing, access signage, parking and others are among the services provided by building managers. Another example is managing is a sport facility, which is now gaining popularity, is the opening system of the building in Malaysia. The scope of facility management is not only referring to the management of sports facilities, but also consists of various types of related elements and building. Not even that, each facilities management varies based on the size, composition, and management structure of the facilities involved. The main focus in the management of the facilities is to ensure that each piece of equipment can operate properly, safe and functional. And last but not least, facilities management in short is based on the requirements of the coordination between the facilities and consumer. It needs to be adjusted and balanced to meet the requirement.
In this project, facility management was carried out in the Masjid Jami Anur, Felda Bukit Apen Timur. This is because this place is a sacred place of worship for Muslims, and many people use it for prayer, to learn more about Islam, and for other purposes. Mosque is typically designed and constructed in compliance with specific requirements, but how well they are operated and well managed determines user satisfaction. This is the layout of the Masjid Jami Anur. It consists of a main prayer hall, a women's prayer hall, a minbar, 3 ablutions, a meeting room, 3 stalls, 2 men toilets, and a women's toilet. The mosque also provides the parking lot public and person with disabilities parking, which will make it easy for residents and visitors to use the facilities in the mosque. So this is the organizational chart of Masjid Jami Anur.
Next, we go to the operation and maintenance. Performance of maintenance system is greatly influenced by the insufficient allocation of maintenance costs. However, some factors such as complaints about the building performance and condition of the building should be considered during decision making on the cost of a maintenance system. In general, the maintenance of a mosque includes the activities in maintaining the mosque facility to be in a good working condition. Although some of the newly built buildings are still in good condition and capable of upgrading facilities and providing a better quality environment, there are 3 maintenance categories that are usually done, such as repairing, minor repairing and modification or upgrades. Last but not least, inspection of the building is important, as most buildings have their own unique construction should be kept safe to use and always in good condition. Next is workplace environment. The internal space of the mosque includes the main prayer hall, a multipurpose hall, office, observation area, and toilet, while the external space comprises areas such as landscaping, roads, and parking area. This study recommends this mosque an efficient and quiet mechanical ventilation system that will increase thermal comfort and thus result in enhanced thermal comfort in mosques. However, mechanical fan and exhaust fan cannot cope to maintain optimal thermal comfort in mosques located in hot, humid, and hot dry climates. Consequently, air conditioning system needs to be installed. These mosques receive lighting from daylight and artificial light sources from various types of ventilation and lamps. Generally, the lighting system in mosques is used for carrying out various spiritual and non-spiritual tasks, such as prayer, Quran recitation, religious lecture, social gathering and recreational activity. And for safety, there is a gate around the mosque, but there are no CCTV outside and inside the mosque, especially the entrance area and the mosque donation box area. For condition assessment, as you can see on this figure, the condition of carpet was quite bad. The carpet are mostly colorless and smelly. Not only that, the existing carpet already lacks of bedding support. So, this can affect the carpet material and its fiber to its core, which will make the carpet smell very bad all the time. Next, the cabinet and drawer of Quran recitation and Islamic books are not arranged properly. In addition, when one is not reading or reciting from the Quran, it should be closed, stored and clean, and respectable place. And the last one for condition assessment, for the telekung need to be washed at least once every 2 weeks so that it can help it comfort during prayer. Not even that, the telekung and even prayer mats need to be added more so every woman can use it without having to wait long.
Several facilities for the residents, especially for the Muslim people, needs to be improved. The safety and comfort of the user of both facilities will be jeopardized if this facility does not repair or maintain. There are a few proposals that can be made to address this issue and overcome the problem. Firstly, replace the old carpet with a new one. This is because the existing carpet already lacks supporting support, colorless, and smelly. Besides that, install the closed-circuit television outside and inside the mosque, especially the entrance area and the mosque donation box area. This is because there are some cases at other mosques where the culprit is trying to steal the mosque donation box. Therefore, CCTV is important to install because it can also protect and increase the security and safety of worshippers. Last but not least is wash the prayer mat and telekung every 2 weeks so it can help add comfort during prayer, since in Islam it is compulsory to keep the item used in prayer clean at all the time.
Next, we go to the critical path method (CPM). For activity A, we do the measure the prayer area for duration is 3 weeks. And for activity B, removing the old carpet and it took 2 weeks. Then cleaning the floor and it took 6 weeks. And then buying the new carpet, telekung and prayer mat for 3 weeks. And cleaning the telekung and prayer mats for 3 weeks. And then arrange all the Islamic book and Quran recitation. And also it took 3 weeks. And then add and arrange the new closet and drawers, and then arrange the telekung and prayer mats, and add chair for those who are needed. And the last one for activity J, laying down the new carpet in the prayer hall, and it took 2 weeks.
From the table before, we can draw the activity on a network diagram. So from this table and the formula, we can find the critical path. So the activity ACG is the longest sequence of activities that must be finished on time to complete the entire project. In conclusion, the objective of this study has been achieved as an investigation on how the facility management is exhibited in the Masjid Jami Anur in Filter Bukit Apin Timur as the best support in accomplishing the efficient and effective functioning of this place. Maintenance should be maintained and do because it ensures that the building provides the required standards and continuous level of service at the minimum and reasonable cost. Besides that, the work environment for this place is good and comfortable, but there are a few facilities that need to be repaired and maintained to improve the safety of the users of the mosque facilities. That's all from us. Thank you.